Sciforma Corporation. I teach project management, including Agile project management.
Valerie, what's the connection between Agile and project management?
Well, Agile is a type of project management. Most project, or the traditional project management, is waterfall, and that is doing one task after the other. When one finishes, the next start. The way Agile project management works is you take a series of tasks, you do them all at the same time. You're flexible with the way it works because you can expand the tasks or reduce the task depending on the need and how well it's going.
How do you manage resources in Agile?
It's actually very easy. You have the resources assigned to the project and you use them throughout all the different Agile tasks that are done. And you don't keep somebody on the sidelines waiting for their task to start. You keep using them in the task that's currently going. So that way you can start expanding tasks, doing them early, doing them longer if need be, till you get it right. You have a quick 10-minute meeting, find out where you're at, what's going on, do you need help with anything, do we need to expand, are you done early, and then you go on with your work. You also have usually a weekly or bi-monthly meeting, which will have a bigger clientele that will be in there saying, okay, we are the managers, we're the executives that are interested in this project, we want to know what's going on. At that time you might expand. You might add in more requirements, you might have to add in more iterations, more work at that point. You still have your whole project, which has its scope, but within that you work it so you get a better product.
In that kind of environment where things are constantly changing and constantly shifting, how exactly do you come up with a schedule?
Well, you have a generalized outline. It's really not that much different than the waterfall, where you have first you scope out the project, you get your requirements, you do your work, and then you finish up by doing your training and make sure it's installed correctly. The difference is requirements can be added as you're working with the development because you are that flexible and you have the resources available to you since they're assigned to the project. You're producing as you go along. You don't have to wait till the end to produce.
These PMPs, are a lot of them applying Agile in their work now?
Especially the ones in software management, yes. It's really geared towards those who are creating software because you can be flexible. If you're manufacturing a box, it's really not meant for those. If you were in the building trade and building a building, many things go on at the same time. There's always requirements changes as you're building your building, so it can be used there too.
Thank you for that explanation.
You're welcome.